The Mütter Museum, located at the College of Physicians of Philadelphia, is one of America's premier medical history museums. This 19th century style cabinet museum showcases an array of fascinating medical artifacts, including anatomical specimens, pathological specimens, wax models, and antique medical instruments. Visitors can marvel at the beauty and strangeness of the human body through exhibits such as the Hertel skull collection and the tallest human skeleton on display in North America. Established in 1863, the museum was created with a donation from Dr. Thomas Mütter, a physician and professor of surgery. Dr. Mütter gave $30,000 and some of his collections to start the museum. The goal was to enhance medical education for students and other medical professionals. The museum's collection of over 37,000 specimens offers a unique and sometimes eerie glimpse into medical history. Highlights include the conjoined liver of the famous Siamese twins, Chang and Eng Bunker, and a malignant tumor removed from President Grover Cleveland. The Soap Lady, Einstein's brain specimens, and the Hertel skull collection, a display of some 139 human skulls. Overall, a visit to the Mütter Museum promises an unforgettable experience, blending medical history with the wonder and mystery of the human body. The museum, known for its many collections of medical oddities, has been in a controversy over the ethics of displaying human remains. The museum's exhibits, such as the Hertel skull collection, Einstein's brain and the Soap Lady, are fascinating, but raise questions about consent and the ethical handling of human specimens. Debates have focused on the lack of consent from individuals whose remains are displayed. The museum has reviewed and removed some exhibits from online platforms to address ethical concerns, creating backlash from the museum's online community and museum fans. Critics argue that the museum's focus on macabre displays may exploit human remains rather than educate the public responsibly. Admission is $20, $18 for seniors and military, and $15 for students under 18. The time it takes will vary with the time of year, but around 1 or 2 hours. Keep in mind, it can be gruesome and disturbing. Visit the Mütter Museum to explore its unique exhibits. For more details, visit muttermuseum.org or call 215-555-1234.